Hey everybody, how you doing? I wanted to do another quick video for you on one of my saws. This is a Stihl 034, and I just ported this thing. This was actually this was my first attempt at porting a saw. I don't know a lot about it, just what I've watched and learned on my own. I got myself a timing wheel, and I just kind of went at it. And I have to say, it came out pretty good. I'm pretty impressed with it. I got a couple of short videos up there. I think I have one shorts video and then another video that's a couple minutes of just cutting with it. Making some pasta, some noodles, right? So I like to do that just to see how saws pull and how they act. Test my filing skills and all that. But yeah, this has been fun. I'm just kind of getting into this and really starting to like it. I would love to know more exactly what or how numbers stack up as far as what makes good numbers, right? So if any of you guys out there know a lot about this stuff, I'm curious. So I have what I came up with as far as my numbers, and I won't get into where it was, but I'll tell you what I ended up with. I ended up with my exhaust opening at 98 degrees with 24 degrees of blowdown, and my intake opened at 77, closed at 77, so I ended up with a total of 154 degrees. Now, I deleted the gasket, so I had 21 thousandths of squish. And I worked the exhaust roof and the intake floor, both of those. I watched everybody's videos, Tin Man. I think that it's great to watch that guy because obviously he knows what he's doing. I just wish I understood more about playing with those numbers and the directions that you go, whether up or down with some of these. Do they build, you end up with a higher RPM saw or a more torquey saw? I'd like to know more about it. If somebody could explain some of that to me, I think it would be great. I mean, in the meantime, I'm going to keep playing around, and maybe that's just what you're supposed to do. I'm not sure, because this is all new to me, but I'm having fun with it. And yeah, I pick up old saws just like everybody else, get them cheap and have fun with them. And playing around with this kind of stuff it's therapeutic to me, and I just enjoy doing it. But anyway, those are the numbers that I ended up with. Maybe they're way off where they should be. Maybe somebody could explain to me if I maybe didn't open my intake so much, what kind of power that would build. But to get a little further into it, what I did was, in the cylinder, I only modified the lower transfers. I didn't touch the uppers at all. I cleaned up all of the flashing on the piston through the windows in the side of the piston. I opened up all the flashing in there, and I was watching, and that's important too, to make sure that you get that cross flow through the piston and stuff. So I did do that. But my lower transfers are big. They're huge. So I did see some stuff where if you do have those big transfers like that you need to have a little bit more intake timing. So I went a little bit more. Was it too aggressive? I don't know. The saw runs well. Watch my other video and let me know what you think about it. Should have been a really sharp chain. I do pretty good filing, so I'm happy with the way that I file. I've got the West Coast saws, raker gauges, and I love those things. To me, that's like a game changer. Growing up on a farm, cutting a lot of wood, and as a kid working with my father doing land clearing and stuff like that, we'd hand file our saws all day, and that was part of my job, was keeping everybody's saw sharp. And we never had raker gauges like that. And I know that Carlin's made them for years, a philo gauge or something like that. But the West Coast saw, actually I got one right here. The West Coast saw file gauges they're just awesome. They're, like I said, they're a game changer. So if you can get some of those, they're available in all the pitches, and you know they shipped like immediately. It was awesome, but total game changer as far as making sure your rakers are set right. And if you guys are watching this video, I'm sure you're watching all the videos from the big name guys out there that have their channels, and they're not wrong when they give you these tips and these tricks to try and do. And it's fun to play around with. Like I said, it's very therapeutic for me. So I'm having fun with the porting. You know, I'm recording my numbers, and I have multiples of the same saws, so I may try porting some other ones and play with numbers and see what I get. And hopefully some of you guys out there can comment, and you know, if you guys are seeing my videos, comment and let me know, am I headed in the right direction? I'm just curious, but I'm into it, and I'm having fun with it, and just that's all I wanted to talk to you guys about. And if you're liking the content that I'm doing and you're interested and you want to see more, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.